Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to convert video to GIF in Canva. In order to do that, you have to create a design first. Just simply click on that, and from there you have to choose YouTube chapter, or you can just simply customize it, or you can also select the template as well. In my tutorial, I will just simply click on this YouTube chapter. Now here you have the two options. Either you can convert GIF of your video, or you can simply create a new video to convert GIF. Now in my case, I will just simply find a video on Canva. If you want to upload your video, you can just simply go on the upload icon, and from there you can upload a file of your video. Now for example, I will select this cat video. Simply drag in the video option, resize it and make it shorter, as you can see here, and just delete this layer. As you can see here, the video is added in timeline. From there you have to click on the share button. Now just click on the download. From here, this is a very crucial point where you have to select MP4 video to GIF. Just simply select the GIF and click on download option. It will download the GIF video. So this is how you can convert video to GIF in Canva. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.